so bad.
You can put a sweatshirt on.
Okay.
There's one behind. Get the fuck in there.
Let me just get a sweatshirt on.
You know, in there, dick shit.
Where?
In the closet.
Leo.
Herb-a-derp.
Dude, you put that towel over you.
No.
That's all you get.
Oh. God.
Let's go, get in there.
Oh my God.
You have to hold it up tight against you.
No, that's worse.
No, yes, that's the rules.
Leo,
Get in there.
Leo, just stop.
Ryan, you ready to get hit with 500 feet per second?
Why are you doing this?
Because you got the movie question wrong. Oh, you're shooting the stomach? Yeah. Yeah.
No.
Yep.
Leo. Wait,
I'll
wait,
fucking shoot
wait.
you right here, dick shit. Get in there.
Just wait.
Get in there. I won't shoot you in the balls. Bro code. I'll fucking shoot you right here. I did to Josh.
Just wait.
Get in there.
Leo, wait. Wait. Wait.
Get in there. Get in there, nigga.
Leo.
Get the.
Ow. Leo. Leo, wait.
I'm gonna shoot you in the arm.
No.
I'm gonna shoot you in the arm. And get the fuck in there.
You know what?
What, you want me to shoot you there?
Okay. Wait. Ow! Oh my God. Oh my God. Fuck you. No, just stop.
Now you shoot for real.
No, it was real.
Get in there. I'm gonna shoot you in the pocket.
It hurts so bad.
Get in there. Get in there. Here, Ryan. Pull this water bottle. I guarantee I'll hit it.
Here, pull it up again.
Here.
Pull your shirt up again, or your sleeve.
It's bleeding.
Leo. Bye.
Leo. Leo.
On your
Oh,
knees.
Stop. Leo, stop. Leo.
Fine, let me shoot you with my AK.
You don't have an AK.
I do.
Doesn't work.
It'll work enough to shoot you.
I don't want to. That hurt.
Boom, kaboom! Right, come out of the garage.
Ow. You bastard. I'm bleeding.
Let me see this.
You bleeding love? No one got that reference. Right, let's go.
Ugh.
I'm taking back my clothes.
Go.
Yeah, there's some shit in here.
Let's go outside.
These pants aren't even mine.
Let's go. Outside, Peanut. I don't want
Bitch.
Wait, you know, let's see if I can move a battery.
Time to nigger rig a battery.
Shit, I don't even know where all my batteries are. Which pocket did I put them in? Oh, I love my AR. My AR shoot. No, this would be shit. Alright, I know where I fucking put any of my shit.
Muffins. I have muffins.
No.